This is a synthetic orthopedic trauma pipeline in DataHub, raw ED documentation, through staging and the trauma registry, out to a de-identified research export. The shape of a real registry on entirely synthetic data. A migration just renamed a column across it. Everything built, every test passed. Now watch what the test didn't catch. Here's the research export. The data set that's supposed to be de-identified. The agent reads the metadata graph and sees a column. Patient ID, sitting right here in the export, classed as a direct identifier. A patient identifier survived into data that promised it wouldn't. That's the first finding, and it came from metadata alone. The agent never read a single row of data. And this is the part I want you to notice. Once the agent writes its findings back, DataHub propagates them. The export is flagged unhealthy because an upstream is the trauma registry, carried through the lineage itself. The agent didn't just leave a note on one table. Its health signal now travels the graph the way the platform's own signals do. This is the closed loop. The agent didn't just detect it, it wrote back. It raised an incident, tagged the dataset, attached a glossary term and an owner, and wrote its finding in plain language. A direct identifier retained in a research export. With the fix, drop patient ID. The knowledge lives in the graph now. The next engineer inherits it instead of rediscovering it. Each finding becomes a first-class DataHub incident. Active, linked to the affected asset, categorized as a governance finding. This isn't a report sitting in a side channel. It's an incident in the platform your data team already works in, ready to be assigned and resolved. And here's the test that matters most. The same engine, the same rules, pointed at a clean version of the pipeline. 0 findings, no false alarms. A governance agent that fires on real violations is easy. One that stays quiet when the data is clean is the hard part. That's OrthoLineage Guardian. It governs the data systems, and it never touches the clinical decision.